Okay, hi guys, and welcome to this video. I want you to meet Tweety! It's my new cockatiel. I've had him for 2 weeks now. There he is. And he's already jumping on my hand, and like when I tell him, come on up, go on Tweety, up, get up, come on, up. He's hiding behind me now. There we go, he's back on the cage. Now watch this, guys. You watching? Watch him. Watch this. Tweety, come here. Come on, up. Up on. Up on. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Come on. Up. Come on up. Come on. Come on up. Come on. Come on. Up. Yeah. Here you go. Coming up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Eee. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Look at that. Coming on the head. Coming up. On the head. On the head. Head. Come on. Come on. Come on. Up on the head. Up. Up. Up on the head. So there he's there, guys. He's obviously still trying to get used to the place and stuff. But there's his cage there. I just got him a new toy. And I've got a thing here that I made in school. A wee perch there that he can sit on sometimes. But yeah, basically that's the new bird, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. So guys, just a quick thing to this video, look. There he's sitting on his perch. Yeah. Yeah. And there he's not.